Welcome to Chef and Taste. Today I am showing you the quickest way to make crispy, flavorful instant rava roti. No dough kneading, no resting time, just pure deliciousness in minutes. Start with 1 cup of Chiroti rava, that's fine semolina. Add half a cup of water to the rava. Also, we are happy to announce that my videos are now available in multiple languages: English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Spanish and more. Let this soak for 5 minutes. It allows the rava to absorb moisture evenly, preventing dry patches in your roti. Now add another half cup of water. Let it settle for 5 minutes. Add 1 large green chilli, finely chopped. This adds that perfect kick. 1 inch of ginger, chopped. 3 small onions, finely chopped for sweetness and crunch. 2 stems of curry leaves, chopped. 3 tablespoons of sugar. Half a cup of fresh coconut grated. This is what makes it truly special. And half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. While we wait for the mixture to settle, this reminds me, if you love South Indian breakfast like this, you've got to try my Mysore masala dosa recipe. Link at the top right corner. Keep separate for 5 minutes. Heat your tawa on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This gives that authentic coastal flavor and prevents sticking. Once the oil shimmers and is hot, take rava mixture and pour it in the center. Now gently spread it in a circular motion to form a roti shape. Don't press too hard, let it spread naturally. Fry on low flame for 10 minutes. Low flame ensures it cooks through without burning, giving you that golden, crispy exterior and soft interior. And there you have it, crispy instant rava roti, perfect for breakfast or evening snacks. If you loved this quick recipe, subscribe to Chef and Taste for authentic Indian recipes every week. Happy cooking!